Wow, we're in the middle of nowhere. But you know what? It doesn't have to be dazzling spectacular beyond Joeysworld. We got friends, including Ray.
Not just any train though, right? So this is a private owner, right?
That's right.
And we got invited out to check out this little event they do every year.
That's right.
And it's going to be interesting. People are going to bring their own personal train collections. Going to have some fun, right?
It's going to be dazzling and great. It's Joeysworld. My New Jersey railroad was nothing like this.
Wave on by.
Come on, Joe, get up. Let's go.
Woo! Bye, Joe.
Joe, lift up the red one.
There you go.
That's far enough. Now sit down. Put feet over. All right. I'll bring them back, I promise. Okay.
If you don't, you got to buy them lunch.
All aboard!
Yeah.
go. You've seen it all now. A great way to visit Manatee Center to look at the vintage trains, old and new, and stuff we've never seen before. And let me tell you, my ride, it's no doubt the most less stressful ride I've ever had been on it.
We wanted to show you this because you will not see it, correct?
That's right.
This is a private event.
Oh, yeah.
We got very lucky. We want to give a big thanks out to our buddy, who?
Bryan.
To Bryan for inviting us. They do this a couple times a year. We met folks from Lakeland, from all over the place that actually bring their gigantic trains here.
That's right.
See, like over there.
Oh.
They bring their gigantic trains here. Supposedly there's miles of tracks in other parts. Some by Bach Tower,
That's right.
some all over Florida.
Oh.
You gotta know someone to get here. So we're lucky. We hope you guys enjoyed it. It was beautiful. And this place, it can rival any botanical park, correct?
That's beautiful.
The owner is actually 86.
Whoa.
He's been doing this forever.
Wow.
He has got this ginormous property, and when the people passed away on the property next to him, he actually built onto their property.
That's perfect.
Just for the trains.
Wow.
Former veteran.
That's right.
So we salute him this
That's
Memorial
right.
Day.
We salute him, all the great veterans out there, America and the world.
But this is a really cool event,
That's
right?
awesome.
We thank you very much. We can't give you the address, unfortunately, but it's amazing what you can find, you know, from word of mouth.
Well, a train trip down memory lane for those who love trains.
Hey Joe, I have a question for you. The neck towel that we use on a hot day, where is it?
I give it back to you.
I don't think so. Are you sure?
I'm for sure.
Are you for imprint sure?
Oh, let's watch the replay and let's see what happens.
Let's roll back the play. Instant replay time and see.
Let's go.
So what did the replay say?
It fell off.
Uh-huh.
And I wasn't even aware of it because of the sound of the train.
You were not for imprint sure.
That's right.